welcome back to another video. What are we doing today? Bike check, I think?
Yep, $20, no. Just 1 hour to finish your bike, and maybe wondering why this footage is crap because we got told them about it.
Well, someone accidentally dropped the camera. I'm not gonna say who.
And the lens broke, and we need a lot of money to fix it. So we're gonna be stuck with this for a while. So basically, we have $20 to no. Why am I keeping saying $20?
Yeah. So these are all the bikes. Choose a bike right now. Which one do you want?
I'm gonna go for here. Grab this.
Yeah, which one do you want?
I reckon I might grab this one.
That one?
Yeah.
You want to show them why you chose that one?
Because it's way better. That wheels out of line than that one. I can't go fix that. It's just a bit better. We got these bikes today, so yeah. Which one are you going for?
Yeah, I could take this one, but I can go that one to match you.
Yeah. Alright. So we have an hour, and an hour starts now. So let's go.
Okay.
Grab it. Let's go already. We just gotta do the thumbnail. There you go, that should look good. So our hour starts now, and let's get into fixing. So here we go, 59 minutes. Can you see that? Now start. Alright, so our hour started, so we better quickly go fix these bikes and let's go. So basically I took off the rubber to make the forks look cooler. So here I'm lining up the wheel and Colin is taking off the dork disc. We both actually took off the dork disc, and yeah, that's basically the second thing that we did to the bikes. Injury 1, show us what happened.
I was about to do it. I literally just slashed my thumb.
You just slashed it on bottom.
What was that? Rusty as.
Yeah. Luckily he has his tetanus shots, I think.
Yeah, I think.
If we haven't got a video out in next week, that's why.
Then you know why.
Yeah. Alright, let's go back into the video. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for taking the disc brakes off, but we had an hour and they were broken, so I just decided to take them off. The brakes are done. Tom's getting triggered over his bike because
It's rusty as.
yeah,
And I
it's
keep cutting
terrible.
myself.
Yeah, he keeps on cutting himself, but I kind of like how my bike's going, so let's get into more building. So now I added a horn and put a couple of zip ties just to get a bit of colour in the bike, so it looks half decent, I'd say. Again, I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for using WD-40 on a bike, but you know.
Yeah, I agree.
So Colin's cut off his seat post. So
I should follow it down so it's not so sharp.
yeah.
So I don't cut myself again.
Yeah. So he's just gonna do that to his bike. I believe how long is there left? There is 24 minutes. So we're almost done. I've basically done everything. I'm just adding parts and let's go. So I am completed my bike. Everything's looking good on it. Let's just add some stickers and to make it look a lot better. So let's go. Now we're about to power wash. So it looks a bit better. So. There is our hour done. Now let's go review it then.
Can I do the honors?
Yeah. Yeah, you can. Yep. 3, 7. Pretty good they look. So here we go. So basically it's pretty bad. Most of the spokes are rusted.
You got air in your tire.
I know. Oh yeah, that one's. Also, we got them out here. Comment down below a B for this bike and a C for that bike. Whoever gets the most obviously wins.
We're gonna
And
test them out first to prove which
Yeah.
one is better. And then just for fun,
how
I
many?
cut a piece of wood out, so it's gonna be like a mini kicker.
Also, how many likes should we get on this video? 150.
About 100 plus 50.
No, just 100. 100 likes. 100 likes, and we will what will we do? Something.
Build a quarter pipe.
Yeah, 100 likes and we'll build a quarter pipe like legit. We actually will. Alright, so let's test it. Also, at 1K we're doing a giveaway. It's actually a legit giveaway. Like,
Yeah.
we'll pay for postage. Yeah, it depends how much, but we'll be giving away.
Can we ride now?
Yeah. Alright, so let's
Safety,
go send
always
it.
wear a helmet. Kids wear a helmet.
Alright, let's go.
That's right.
Nice. Here's some bunny hops. Like no brakes, so don't ride into me. Sick.
It's so clattered.
Just saying, yeah, we'd never ridden these bikes before. Like,
We've never ridden half of these before.
yeah, we never ridden like these like brand of bikes, which are like so different.
Alright, his first jump. Oh! Also, keep in mind these bikes, when we brought them, were not rideable, so at least they ride. It's not right. Also, keep in mind. Alright, let's get a clip of me. Whoa, what happened to like the brightness? I think it's fine, it's just my phone. Yeah, bunny hop over it. Oh, we get here, God. Alright, so click on, wait, I gotta get closer, Cohen's head, or to subscribe to our channel, 1K.
What if I move? Makes it harder for me.
Huh? Then click on the right of him, there will be another video. What episode?
What episode we make, I guess.
Yeah, now the face is probably just showing up now, so yeah, episode whatever. So. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just kidding, but
Well, not that cringy.
alright, we're gonna go now, and next video will be up after Christmas, so
Peace.
peace out, my dudes.